but all wheels suddenly gone astray. Wait, oh wait.
Hey buddy, don't you run away. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Give back the wheel, I really need it for my mission.
Ambulance always help people. She's so kind and gentle. She's got the wheel back, it's so good. Let's get back to work. The school bus is going through the town to pick up kids all around. Then suddenly a wheel is lost. What should he do now?
Hey buddy, don't you run away. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Give back the wheel, I really need it for my mission.
A clever friend lends a helping hand. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. He's got the wheel back, it's so good. Let's get back to work. The excavator works the ground. Then he hears the alarm sound, but a wheel is nowhere to be found. What should he do now?
Hey buddy, don't you run away. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Give back the wheel, I really need it for my mission.
A police car helps to find the wheel. Wee-oo-wee, wee-oo-wee. He got it back, oh it's so good. Let's get back to work. A dusty old car needs a wheel. How happy he will feel if our buddy could get a wheel, but he couldn't.
With our good hearts we'll find a way. Wait, oh wait. Wait, oh wait. How about a new spare wheel to give? Yes, let's do it.
The kind police car saves the day. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. Now all the cars are happy today. Let's laugh and play. Ambulance leaves after a long day. A long day. A long day. When she wakes up, her light's gone away. No way, no way.
Where are my lights? Where are my lights? My oh my, my oh my. Where can I find my precious lights? Now I have no sight. Let's find something good to replace, to replace, to replace. My bell's not these, they're not what I need. Finally something fit.
The ambulance keeps rolling on, rolling on, rolling on. Again her life's broken and gone. Now they are lost. I'll help you out, dear ambulance. Ambulance, ambulance.
never do it again.
The ambulance hurries to help the injured, help the injured, help the injured. Then suddenly a wheel is gone. Oh no, it's lost. Hey friend, don't worry, you have me here. Help is here, help is here. Let's try something to replace your wheel and see what will fit. Oh yes, this wheel seems fit the most, fit the most, fit the most. Okay buddy, it's alright now, you're ready to go. The ambulance hurries to help the injured, help the injured, help the injured. Then suddenly a wheel is gone. Oh no, it's lost. Hey friend, don't worry, you have me here. Help is here, help is here. Let's try something to replace your wheel and see what will fit. Let's look around for something round, round and round, round and round. This float, it seems, can fit the most. You're ready to go. The ambulance hurries after the thief, after the thief, after the thief. Then suddenly the float goes boom. Oh no, it's lost. Hey friend, don't worry, you have me here. Help is here, help is here. Let's try something to replace your wheel and see what will fit. Some slime for a wheel, no way, no way. It's not okay, it's not okay. How about fruit wheel, it seems can move. You're ready to go. The ambulance hurry after the thief, after the thief, after the thief. Suddenly the waterman goes boom. Oh no, it lost. Hey friend, don't worry, you have me here. Help is here, help is here. Let's try this thing to replace your wheel and go after the thief. Naughty thief, you won't escape, won't escape, won't escape. You must return the ambulance wheels and she will help you.
I'm so sorry.
In the zombie land, so dark and so wide, lost in the woods, no place to hide. Creepy creatures lurking side by side. We have to find the way back home. Putting the parts together one by one, unlocking the zombie fire truck. Super zombie fire truck gets you safe and sound. Spraying water, putting the fire out.
In the zombie land, so dark and so wide, lost in the woods, no place to hide. Creepy creatures looking side by side. We have to find the way back home.
Putting the parts together one by one, unlocking the zombie police car. Super zombie police car gets you safe and sound, always ready to help everyone. In the zombie land, so dark and so wide, lost in the woods, no place to hide. Creepy creatures lurking side by side. We have to find the way back home. Putting the parts together Our zombie ambulance gets you safe and sound. With its healing touch, your wounds will be gone. In the zombie land, so dark and so wide, lost in the woods, no place to hide. Creepy creatures lurking side by side. We have to find a way to solve. Putting the parts together one by one, unlocking the zombie school bus right now. Super